Residents of Magodo Phase 2 area of Lagos were thrown into panic on Tuesday evening when landowners under the aegis of Landlords Association of Shangisha Magodo stormed the area with armed policemen and bulldozers to carry out the demolition of marked houses. TV360 Nigeria reports that combat-ready policemen took over the area on Tuesday evening to execute a Supreme Court judgment on behalf of the landowners. The Apex Court's decision, delivered on February 10, 2012, mandated the Lagos State government to give back 549 plots to the original landowners of the area before it was acquired over 38 years ago. Amid the police siege, many residents came out of the estate's gates to resist what they described as forceful takeover and attempt to demolish houses in the area. Our correspondent Simisola Adigun tells us more in this report.
The relative peace and tranquility of this highbrow neighborhood in the Magodo area of Lagos came to an abrupt end on Tuesday evening when anti-riot policemen stormed the area to undertake a demolition exercise. Residents alleged that the police officers accompanied some youths who appeared to be hoodlums into the estate to start marking some houses in the area for demolition. For years now, there has been a lingering court case involving the state government and members of the Shangisha Landlords Association. The Supreme Court, in its ruling, ordered the state government to give members of the Shangisha Landlords Association 549 plots of land as a matter of first priority in the area. Since the Supreme Court verdict, residents of the estate have been facing threats of demolition of their houses. But the landlords in the area say they bought their land from Lagos State government, adding that they were not aware of litigation on the land.
Adega family, they are resorting to self-help, trying to punish us so that they can get Lagos State government to accede to what the judgment said. But we are the one that is being punished. We've not worked. Our people can't go to work. If you just go outside our gate here, you see a bulldozer there. They brought it in yesterday. To do what? To start demolishing our houses. And the Lagos State government is supposed to protect us. How can they allow people to bring bulldozer to want to demolish our houses?
The legal team representing affected residents expressed dismay at the turn of events, stressing that all efforts will be utilized to ensure an overturn in the judgment.
I'm aware that there's a judgment between them and the Lagos State government, which asks the Lagos government to allocate certain plot of land to them, 549 plots. As I'm talking to you today, no plot has been allocated to them. Until that is done, they cannot have any land in this estate. That judgment did not even say they should have land in this estate, as far as I'm concerned. And the writ of operation they claim they have has been challenged in court. It's been set aside. That's what on the Court of Appeal now. That's what the matter we are fighting, and that was coming up on in February 2022.
I believe that the next step is to petition the relevant officers that participated in this raid, from the court officials that participated to the police officers that participated to also anybody that participated in this process. There is an injunction against the police from taking steps here. There is a pending application in the Court of Appeal on this issue of whether there is a valid writ of possession or not. So whether anybody can come and wake up, what are you saying about the country that we live in? That someone can just sleep and wake up while a case is in court and come and start writing on somebody's gate and call me police and thugs? Does the police work with thugs? That's why I don't understand. We need to identify who exactly is here and on whose orders they are here.
According to records, a trial court granted an interlocutory injunction on October 19, 1992, restraining the Lagos State government from selling the land, a judgment that was disobeyed. Residents say only an intervention by the Lagos State government will solve the long-standing issue. Simisola Adigun, TV360, Lagos.